Hello students, now I am going to start with the next concept of the chapter Geometry Construction of 10th standard, that is construction of tangent to a circle. For that purpose we have to start with the practice set 4.2. So the first example is construct a tangent to a circle with center P and the radius we are given, that is 3.2 centimeter at any point M on the circle. So for that purpose we have to draw a rough figure and draw it with proper instruments. So I draw here the circle and the radius, you have to draw the circle with radius 3.2, and here we take any point that is M on the circle. Here is my M point and we have to draw a tangent to the circle through this point M. So what we have to do, so first we have to take the 3.2 centimeter distance and draw a circle here. Taking through 3.2 centimeter distance, first we have to draw a circle. So here is a circle. So after that you have to take point M here and then you have to join this radius, that is PM, and continue or extend this line. So after that we have to put a rounder on this point M and you have to make a arc on one side and keeping the same distance arc on the next side here also. Then you have to put your rounder on this point and increase the distance of in the rounder, and then you have to make a mark on the upper side as well as on the lower side. Similarly, by putting this rounder on the second mark, you have to intersect the previous mark like this one, and then we have to join these 2 points. So here is one point and here is next point. So we have to join this line, and this line touches this point M, and so this one is the tangent to the given circle. So in the next example, similar thing we have to do. So draw a circle of radius 2.7 centimeter. Draw a tangent to the circle at any point on it. Now again you have given a radius that is 2.7. The same example is that of the first one. Radius is 2.7. You have to take any point on it. So I take point M here. You can take at any point or anywhere on the circle. Just I take it here. And the same thing we have to do here. Again we have to draw a circle with radius 2.7. So here is my point M. So this is point P, and this radius is you have given, that is 2.7, and you have to extend this line. Again we have to put down the rounder on M and make a mark on this side and this side, and again you have to put your rounder on M on this point, take some or extend some distance and make a mark on this side, similarly on lower side, and keeping the distance same, you have to put your rounder on here and make a intersecting marks here, and then you have to join these 2 points, so this point and this point, and make a line passing through it, and which touches at point M. So this one is the tangent to the circle. Next one, the example number 3rd. So draw a circle of radius 3.6 centimeter and draw a tangent to the circle at any point on it without using the center. So in this figure we don't use a center. So actually you know that is we draw a circle with the center, but in this case you have to you don't consider this center O. So there is a circle of radius 3.6. After that we take any 3 point on this circle, that is A, B, C. You have to draw a triangle, and after from any point, that is A, B or C, you have to draw a tangent to the circle. So see how to draw it. So first you have to draw a circle. So I draw a circle here having the radius, that is 3.6. After that I take 3 points on it, that is A, B and C, and join this. So we get the triangle ABC. So after that you have to put a rounder here on B. So on B I put my rounder. Take some distance and make a mark. Complete you have to mark. Complete you have to do the mark on this one. So this is my mark. So keeping the same distance, then you have to go on the point C and you have to make a mark which intersect the circle. So here I draw a mark which intersect the circle. After that again you have to go on this mark and put your rounder here and take the distance between the gap. So here is the distance. You have to take the distance between these two gaps, and again you have to put your rounder on here, that is on the side of the triangle, and then you have to make a mark, intersecting mark on the previous mark. So like this one. So here I make a mark, and then you have to join these 2 points, that is point C and this intersecting mark, that is P. So you have to join this line up to Q. You have to give the name, that is Q. So this one is the tangent to the circle without using the center of the circle. So next, the example number 4. Draw a circle of radius 3.3 cm. Draw a chord of PQ of 6.6 cm. Draw tangent to the circle at point P and Q. So here we have to draw a circle of radius 3.3 cm. So I draw a circle. So this radius is 3.3 and this one is also 3.3. And ultimately, so since here given the PQ is 6.6, mean here PQ is the diameter. It is a diameter. So PQ is diameter 6.6, since it is the doubles that of the radius. And you have to join the tangent. You have to draw the tangent to the circle at this point, that is P and Q. So this one is also similar to that of the first and second example. So what we have to do? So this is my rough figure. First we have to take draw the circle of radius 3.3. So you have to take 3.3 centimeter distance in your rounder and make a circle first. So after that you have to extend this OQ line and OP line. Then you have to put your rounder on Q. So you have to take a point. So when you extend this radius, you have, where this line intersect the circle, you have to take a point, that is Q, and you have to draw the perpendicular bisector. So here you have to take some distance here in your rounder. Similarly you have to take the distance on another side, that is on this side. After that you have to put your rounder on this mark, extend some distance, and then mark, then you have to draw a mark on upper side as well as on the mark on the lower side. Again you have to put your rounder here and mark, you have to make the intersecting mark on the previous mark, so like this one, and on the lower side also. And then you have to join these two marks. So here, that is intersecting mark here and on this one, and you have to join this line, and which passes through this point Q. And similarly we have to draw on the left side. So this is the figure. Next, the question number 5 we are given, that is, so draw a circle with radius 3.4 cm. Draw chord MN of 5.7 cm. Construct the tangent at point M and N. So first we have to draw a rough figure. So I draw a circle of radius 3.4 cm. So this is the circle of radius 3.4 cm. After that we have to draw a chord of MN. So here I draw a chord MN. The distance between this M and N is 5.7. So length of the MN is 5.7, and then you have to extend this radius OM and ON, and again by the same method you have to draw the tangent on the both sides. So see the figure, final figure. So first we have to draw a circle. So this one is a circle of radius 3.4 centimeter, means this radius are 3.4 centimeter. After that you have to take a distance of 5.7. So I take here the distance, that is 5.7, and you have to put your rounder on any part of this circle. So I put my rounder on N, that is here I take a point N, and you have to make a mark like this one where it intersect the circle, and we have to give the name, that is M. And so this is our chord MN of 5.7 centimeter. So you can take it on any side, on upper side, on left side, right side. So I take it on downward side. So again join OM and ON and extend these lines. OM and ON you have to extend. After that you have to put your rounder on N, take some distance, make a mark on this side as well as on this side. Again you have to put your rounder here, extend some distance, and you have to make a mark on upper side, lower side, keeping the same distance. Again you have to put your rounder here and make the intersecting marks, and then you have to draw the line which passes through N, and similarly you have to do here. So this one is the answer. The next example, that is example number 6, that is draw a circle with center P and radius 3.4 centimeter. Take point Q at a distance 5.5 centimeter from the center. Construct tangent to the circle from point Q. So here we have to draw a circle of radius 3.4. So this is the circle of radius 3.4, first one, left side circle. Then you have to take a point Q. So Q at a distance of 5.5 from the center. So from P you have to take 5.5 centimeter distance and plot a point, that is Q. After that you have to draw the tangent to the circle. So here we draw the perpendicular, and then we have to draw the tangent. So which are the tangents here? So here I have to draw this second circle, intersect the circle, first circle at this point, and also intersect at this second point. So we have to just join this Q and this point. So I am just going to draw. So you have to draw it with the scale. So like this one. So actually these are the tangents. Here we have to give the name, that is X and Y. So actually this QX and this QY are called as the tangent segments, and which are equal in length. Now we're going to draw the circle. So first we have to draw the circle with center P having 3.4 centimeter radius. So here is the first circle having the radius 3.4 centimeter. After that we have to extend this line. You have to extend this line, and by taking the distance, that is 5.5 in your rounder, make a mark here and plot a point Q. Just see the only first large circle. Here is point P, and you have to extend this line and take a point Q at a distance of 5.5. So put your rounder here, take 5.5 centimeter distance in your rounder and make a mark here. So here is a point Q. Now this PQ is 5.5. Now then we have to make a draw a perpendicular bisector here. So it is a perpendicular bisector. So how to draw this one? So put your rounder here, that is on Q. So put your rounder on Q. Take a more than half distance, and you have to make a arc here, that is on this side and on lower side, and next keeping the same distance, now you have to put your rounder on P and make the intersecting marks on upper side as well as on lower side, and then we have to join these two marks, intersecting marks, that is this point and this point. So this one is the perpendicular bisector, and we give the name it, that is M. So M is, that is this line is perpendicular to the PQ. Now we have to take the distance QM or PM. Both the distances are same since it is a perpendicular bisector. So taking QM distance, so we have to take the distance on as like this one, QM. Then we have to put down our rounder on M, and then we have to make a circle like this one. So here we get a circle. After that we have to imagine that where these outer circle intersect the first circle, so it is intersect at this point and this point. So here we have to join this QX as well as QY. So this is all about this example, and similarly we have to solve the last example. So this is all about the chapter geometry construction. So this is the end of this chapter, and in next lecture we are going to see the new chapter. Thank you.